Hi, welcome back to this another video. This is a day 5. Today, in the last video, as I promised, I will explain you about variables and data types. First thing first, what do you mean by variables and why we need these variables? How these variables are being written? This is the first thing. And then same with the data types. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is variable? Okay, what is variables? People ask you. Okay, in the interviews, maybe the basic question will be the variables. Okay, so what is variables? What are variables? Okay, so maybe easy is a not term because in the last video I talked about syntax, grammar, everything. If I do mistakes, I will. I know you guys not scold. Okay, what are variables? Okay, see guys, take a real time examples. Oh, you have something like you have money. Okay, you have money with you, or there were some relatives came to your home and they gave you your grandpa or grandma. They might like they will give. Okay, obviously the most of the times they will give some money to you. Now where will you keep that money? Where will you hide that money? Okay, you need some place, right? So you need to put somewhere. Okay, so that you can get that money whenever you need and you can use that money. For that, you need some place. So that place, either it will be your pocket, okay, or else you will go to your room. You will go some places. You will have some places to hide. You will hide that, okay. You will hide your money there, okay, so that nobody will get that money. Nobody will stole that money. So you'll maintain it, okay. Whenever you want, only you know, you will go and you will get that, okay. You will get that money and you will use that money for the things that you need. In the same way, in the in the real programming, the variables are nothing but it were named memory locations. It's a named memory location, okay. In the same way, either in for you, pocket can be your location, or else your bag can be your location. Okay, so there will be a location, and for that there will be a name. For pocket is the name. For bag is the name. Okay, bag, you'll keep that money there, or else you'll keep it in a pocket. Okay, it's a named memory location. Okay, which is used. Okay, which is used to store data. Okay, it's a named memory location which is used to store data. In the real-time example, the data here is money. So that money you are storing, that is the data. Here you will store some data that can be numbers, it can be some names, or it can be some stories. You will store somewhere, right? So that's actually called as variable. Okay, it's a named memory location which is used to store some data. Okay, store some data. Now you understood variables. These are variables, guys. This as it is. This is the only definition you have for variables. Okay. So, however you understood in that way, you can say. You can say it's a location where we will store some data. Okay. Now, how they are initialized in Python. Okay. It needs to be initialized and you need to add some data and you need to store the data in that variable. In Python, you will take A or B. Okay. Whatever name you want. Okay, so you can use whatever the name you want. That can be like in the real-time example that I have taken, pocket. Okay, pocket is the location. This is the variable. You are storing some money. Okay, now as I said you, whenever you are using some alphabetical words or something, you need to keep that in a double quotes, right? Why? So I will keep this in a double quotes. Why? Actually, these variables are data and data types are interlinked each other. Okay. For that, first you need to know data types. Let me explain you what are data types first. Okay. Data types. Okay. What are data types? So the data types are nothing but the type of data that you are assigning to this variable. Okay. So, okay, the type of data. Here for packet is a variable. Okay, what is the type of data that you are assigning? So money. So this is a string data type. Okay, so there are data types in Python. So the data types are the major data types that we use. Int, integer data types. Okay, integer data types. Okay, we have float. Okay, so we have boolean. Okay, we have strings. These are basic data types. Okay, there are other data types. They're called as collection data types. Collection data types. Okay, they are nothing but lists, tuple. Okay, set, and dictionary. So we'll talk about this. Okay, this collection data types, this data integer float, these data types. Also, we will talk. Okay, so what kind of data types they are called. Okay, now let's see these things in a real time. So let's see these things in VS Code. So let's go to VS Code. Okay, here is our VS Code. Now I have print allowed. I will delete this. No worries. Okay, so now let's start coding. First, let's take a variable. Let's take a variable name pocket. Okay, what you are storing in your pocket? Huh? So what's your storing? That is money. Storing money. Okay. Now this is a string data type. Okay, this is a string data type. Let's take one integer variable, integer data type. Integer means numbers. Understand? These are numbers. Okay. Now let's take num as a variable. This is a variable name. Okay, a number is a variable name, and you will take 1, 2, 3. This is a number. Now for this integer, use this 1, 2, 3. Okay. For decimal type, again take some. Okay, decimal. Okay, decimal. Okay, 2.4. This is a decimal. Okay, this is point. You can see this point. This is a decimal value. Okay. Now you have other data types, that is Boolean. Boolean means there are only two possibilities. Either it can be true or false. That can be, let's take a variable flag equal to true, or it can be false. Okay, there are only two possibilities for this. Okay. Now, okay, now Kumar, you are saying as packet as a string and a number as a integer, decimal is a floating point, and flag is a boolean. How to believe that? How to believe you? Okay, don't believe me. See here, I use print function. Again, print is a function to print the output. Okay, to print the output, use this print function. Okay, now use type. Okay, actually type is a method. Okay, again type is a function to see whatever the variables type. Okay, type of pocket. Okay, print the type of pocket. What is the type? Okay, so run. You can see here. You can see here, guys. This is str. Okay, which means string. In the same way, I will do it for all these four. Okay, Control V, Control V, Control V. I'm lazy to write, but that's why I'm using copy paste. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, let's see. Done. Let's run this now. See, class str for pocket. Money is of string data type. Number is of int data type. Decimal is of float data type. And flag is of boolean data type. Okay, I hope you got an idea. This is a simple, these are the data types. These are the basic data types that the one should know. And I hope you got an idea. What is a variable? What is a data type? Variable is nothing but it's a named memory location. There will be a name and it's a location where you will store some data. So pocket is a variable and you are storing some data in it. Okay, a number is a variable and you are storing some data in it. The data can be string, it can be number, it can be floating point, it can be boolean values. Okay, that's it. Okay, data types are nothing but the type of data that you are assigning to a variable. Okay, so these are variables is data type. I hope you got an idea. If you still didn't understood, you can ask me. You can ask me in comment section. I will try to do a deep. See, there is I already explained you detail in detail. So variable is a memory location, and data type is the type of data that you are assigning to that variable. They are interlinked each other. Okay. So it can be done in multiple ways. So if you, I will do it in a next video. Okay. Yeah, how you can initialize, how you can declare, how you can utilize for variables. Okay. So we'll see you in the next videos, and keep yourself consistent, guys. Now easy things are started. So practice a lot. So write some variables and try to see the type of it and print those variables also. Okay. So that's how, so if you make your hands dirty, that's how that programming will be in your blood. Okay, so start practicing a lot. Okay, until we'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep watching my videos, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. And actually, I never said to subscribe to my channel. So if you guys are watching my videos, please do subscribe my videos. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends also, so that they can also get benefited from these videos and they can also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so it will be useful to me also, right? So yeah, thank you, guys. See you in the next video.